welcome back to the Mex Mundo kitchen. Today I'm going to share how to make an alfalfa chia seed lemon water. For those of you who don't know alfalfa as the plant and not as the thing we have in salad, it's kind of like a grass. It's not what you find in salad, the germinated form, it's this. It looks like grass. And it's often used to feed cattle, animals, but it's also safe for human consumption. I grow it in my garden. I have it in a separated area in my garden because this stuff spreads like crazy. So you really have to keep it in a pot. And it's a super healthy water. It's delicious. And what I love about alfalfa water is the color. It ends up being this fluorescent green, which is so awesome. It's like, if you want to give it to your kids, you can just tell them, hey, let's have some Hulk water, and they're going to be like, wow. No, it's really cool. It looks really nice and it's super yummy. So I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. The ingredients you need to make your alfalfa lemon chia water are a handful of alfalfa, the juice of 4 lemons, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, sugar to your liking, and 2 liters of water. Okay, so this next part is super simple. All you have to do is in the blender cup, you're going to put 1 liter of water, the juice of your lemons. In my case, it was 4 tablespoons when I squeezed the lemons. You don't have to, it doesn't need to be an exact amount. As long as it's 4 lemons, doesn't matter if they're big, if they're small, or you can even add more lemons if you like it more lemony. You add the juice, and you're going to add the handful of alfalfa in here, and you're going to mix it all well and have the blender really chop up the alfalfa into the water. Once it's done blending, you're going to strain it into your jar, and you're going to add the remaining liter of water in there. And this is the part where you're going to add your sugar. You can add as much as you want. I recommend adding little by little until it gets as sweet as you like. You stir well until the sugar dissolves. And last but not least, you're going to add your chia seeds. Those are, you can give it a mix. I like doing it, but it doesn't really matter because they're all going to kind of float to the top. Okay, so our alfalfa water is finished. Look at the beautiful color, what I was saying, like Hulk water. I don't know, I find it very funny, like fluorescent, pretty. I like it a lot. It's very refreshing, it's very healthy. The sugar is completely to your liking. I never measure, I just put it in there, and I kind of have like a thing where I put my finger, and the height of my finger is the amount of sugar I like adding. But that's completely up to you guys. It also depends on what kind of flavor water you're making. Some fruit needs more sugar than others. This one, the 1 finger works for me. I wanted to show you, I know it's a very simple video, but many people have tasted it and they don't know what alfalfa looks like. So more than also the recipe is so that you guys can identify the plant and not think that it's what you find in salads. It's completely different. It's kind of like grass, like I showed you. So now you know what the plant looks like in case you ever want to make alfalfa water. You totally are experts in that now. I hope you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.